Today, we're teaming up with DTLA Print, a premium full-service screen printing and fulfillment shop based in the heart of Los Angeles. Known for their expertise in high-end custom apparel, and today, they're sharing a major insider tip to help your puff ink prints look their absolute best. We're running tests on our new garment dye tees, part of the Wash collection. These heavyweight unisex styles come in both short and long sleeve, and they're garment dyed for that comfortable, lived-in, right-off-the-shelf feeling. For puff printing, it's vital to choose a lower mesh screen to allow more ink to deposit and puff. The screen we're selecting is 180 mesh count. Standard mesh counts are 250 to 300. We also want a longer exposure time to make sure the film burns sharply. Now, on to the printing. A pro tip here is to do 2 passes for printing. A white base layer, which will actually have the puff components, and then our top layer for the color. This will ensure that we don't lose any color vibrance when the puff takes place. DTLA Print uses a roller tool to press the ink evenly into the garment. This helps the puff layer lay smooth and consistent to ensure a clean and even final print. Once printed, we bring the ink to life with heat. For this demo, we're using a heat gun, but for a full production, a gas dryer at 350 degrees is the way to go. Want to learn more about our garment dye tees and get more pro tips like this? Head to bellacanvas.com.